As of May 2023, the average age of a welder is 55 years old. Now, this is the average age of a welder. Now, I love to say it's never too late to become a welder, because it literally isn't. It's never too late. The oldest welder that I actually seen working, that had his own rig, and he was doing independent welding. He was going around welding those bumper hitches and those leveling systems on the docks for like Amazon and all those big companies out there in Phoenix, Arizona. This man was 78 years old, family, and I'm telling you, he was hitting and getting it. You know what I mean? He was stick welding and he was flux core welding. He said, hey, these are the two right here that actually pays the most money. So he was riding around doing stick welding and flux core welding, and kept a helper with him. And family, the guy was doing amazing work. So it's never too late. It's all based on a person's passion. It's all based on what you want to do. It's all based on where you want to go. And then being realistic with yourself as far as your health and for as the certain conditions that you have. But as a welder, there's so many things you can do, and there's so many processes you can take. There's actually 4 processes. You can be a TIG welder. You can be a MIG welder. You can do flux core welding with gas or without gas, and you can stick weld. So figure out what type of welding you want to do, and take advantage of your age. Take advantage of your age. Hold on.